In this lecture, you redirect a page when it is loaded. So you're going to redirect this particular HTML page to an other website, which is bharath.thippireddy.com. So copy the contents of this file, create a new file, and in here, instead of saying printing this document, simply say redirecting. You can redirect it to whatever website you want. I'm going to redirect it to my website. Save it, onLoad redirect.html. Change the title to onLoad/redirect. And within the handle onLoad function, instead of window.print, we'll be using window.location is equal to http://www.bharath.thippireddy.com. Save it, open this in web browser, onLoad redirect.html, and you will see that as soon as it loads, it says it is redirecting and it goes to my website, which is bharath.thippireddy.com.